Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create this bright pinky coral smoky eye. So let's get started. So before I go in with any eyeshadow, I'm gonna apply the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer as a base all over my eyelid. For today's look, I'm going to be using the Iluvsarahii x Colourpop Through My Eyes palette. It is my absolute favorite eyeshadow palette because it has all my favorite colors and I can create pretty much any look with it. So here I'm going in with this orange shade called Euphoric, and I'm applying this shade into the crease and the outer corners of my eyes using a fluffy blending brush from Fearless Cosmetics. Next, I'm going to pick up the shade Wild Soul, which is a beautiful yellow shade, and I'm just going to apply this above the orange to blend it out. I'm using the same blending brush to apply this shade. I just wiped the orange off on a paper towel so the colors wouldn't mix. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Lomo, and this is such a gorgeous corally pink shade that I love to wear all over the lid. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm first just adding a little bit of the concealer onto the lid so I have a sticky base, and then I'm just going to press this eyeshadow onto the entire lid using a flat eyeshadow brush. By the way guys, I am so sorry the lighting is off here. I look super orange, but you can see the colors better when I zoom out later. The sun was going in and out the clouds, so my camera went a little crazy. Then once I have the color on the lid, I'm gonna go in with my blending brush again to blend out the color in the crease, just to make sure that there's a soft transition between all the colors. Now for the lower lash line, we're gonna use the same colors. So I'm first applying Euphoric all over my lower lash line, and then I'm blending it out with Wild Soul. And last but not least, I'm adding Lomo closest to my lash line. For the inner corners, I wanted something sparkly, so I mixed the shades Lucido and Mesmer-eyez to get a nice golden inner corner highlight. Now I'm going to line my upper lash line with the Fenty Beauty Flyliner in the shade Cause I'm Black, just to add some definition to my lash line. For the lashes, I'm first going to apply the Buxom Lash Mascara, and then I'm applying my favorite Russian blue lashes from Feline Lashes. Now moving on to the face, I'm first going to apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Peachy Love, and then for highlight today, I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs All Over Foil Luminizer in the shade Guilty for a nice glow. Last but not least are the lips, and I decided to go for something very nude since I want the focus to be on the eyes. So here I applied the Nabla Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Attractive, and then I lined the contours of my lips with a lip pencil also by Nabla, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!